Hello and welcome to E-Commerce News Bulletin. It is 22nd August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Market regulator SEBI has again sounded an alarm over heavy retail losses in the futures and options segment, spooking investors about what legendary market veteran Warren Buffett once called lethal time bombs. A recent study by SEBI found 88% or 9 out of 10 individual F&O traders still incurred losses in FY26. Options remain the main source of losses. Startup success is a test match, not a T20 game. Accel India co-founder Subrata Mitra on why he backed Flipkart, Myntra, and others. Subrata Mitra, co-founder at Accel India and an early investor in Flipkart, Myntra, New Sigma, and CultFit shares what decades of backing Indian startups have taught him about building companies. There is no such thing as a startup journey that simply goes up and to the right. Subrata Mitra has had one of the best vantage points to make this observation. 360's Vikash Gupta on turning India's leather legacy into a global luxury brand. A premium leather bar cabinet in an urban Indian home is more than just a piece of furniture. It reflects a growing shift in how consumers view products that are proudly made in India. For years, premium Indian leather mostly found its way into global brands, while the craftsmanship behind it rarely received the recognition it deserved. Vikash Gupta spent over 15 years on the other side of that story, running a B2B export business that supplied leather goods to international brands. Zomato founder's brain wearable is almost here. The festive season is here and so are the online sales. E-commerce company Meesho expects to create over 10 lakh seasonal job opportunities across its seller and logistics ecosystem to meet the surge in demand during the holiday season. It plans to add approximately 6.5 lakh jobs across its seller network and about 3.75 lakh roles across its logistics operations, the Press Trust of India reports. Isami, although homegrown burger brands are growing, global giants McDonald's and Burger King account for over 60% of the burger outlets in India. Heritage and design: how this Mithila transformation initiative empowers artisans. In the earlier 1015 posts, we featured an art festival, cartoon gallery, World Music Festival, Telecom Expo, Millets Fair, Climate Change Expo, Wildlife Conference, Startup Festival, Diwali Rangoli, and Jazz Festival. Located in the heart of Bangalore, Sabha is a vibrant 160-year-old restored heritage venue. Hyper Horizon builds small autonomous submarines that map the sea without a pilot. Autonomous underwater vehicles, machines that can navigate, survey and map without a cable to the surface or a human at the controls, have largely been imported. That price point shapes what gets done. A single expensive vehicle is deployed carefully, for high-value work, by trained crews. AlgoFET builds the docking stations that let drones recharge without a person present. A machine can fly a route, avoid obstacles, capture what it needs and return without human input, and then it sits there until somebody walks over, swaps the battery and sends it up again. For a single survey flight, that does not matter. For a system meant to patrol a perimeter or inspect a pipeline continuously, it is the whole problem. ETRNL Energy is redesigning the battery cell itself rather than its chemistry. Researchers keep changing the cathode, the electrolyte, the anode. But the physical design, how the layers are wound, stacked and packaged, has stayed roughly the same for decades. That design shapes a lot more than people realize. That is all for this bulletin from E-Commerce News Bulletin. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.